Nubank is a dynamic force in the Latin American financial technology landscape. Since the start of 2023, Nubank's stock price has increased by an astonishing 200%, a testament to its explosive growth and market potential. Is this stock still a buy? Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on an in-depth exploration of Nubank. This presentation will provide a detailed overview of the company's journey, its current position, and future opportunities. Please note that the information presented is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and this presentation was created by Fritz on January 23, 2025. Nubank trades under the ticker symbol NU on the New York Stock Exchange. Headquartered in Sao Paulo, Brazil, the company was founded in 2013 by David Velez, Cristina Junqueira, and Edward Weibel, with David Velez currently serving as CEO. Nubank started with the vision of simplifying financial services in Latin America and has experienced exponential growth since then, reaching unicorn status by 2018 and going public in 2021. A fun anecdote about David Velez is the fact that he used to respond to client questions himself in the early days of the company to better understand the customer needs. David was born on June 1, 1981. Nubank offers a comprehensive suite of digital financial services. This includes its popular fee-free digital account, NuConta, which simplifies everyday banking. Their iconic credit card, managed entirely through their mobile app, continues to attract a lot of new clients. Furthermore, Nubank provides personal loans, insurance and investment options, broadening their portfolio of services. The revenue is primarily driven by transaction fees, with about 55% coming from credit card transactions. Interest income from loans contributes roughly 30%, and other services, like investments and insurance, account for the remaining 15%. Nubank's uniqueness lies in its deep customer-centric approach. They aim to make financial services accessible, transparent, and simple, unlike many traditional banks. The mobile-first platform grants users full control over their finances through an intuitive app. This is coupled with a data-driven strategy, allowing Nubank to tailor its products for better customer experiences. Nubank's focus on the underserved population is one of the reasons for its rapid growth. Furthermore, the continuous innovation through the implementation of AI and other technologies sets them apart. Looking forward, Nubank has immense potential. We envision continued expansion into new markets across Latin America and beyond. The company is also poised to further develop its product portfolio. We can expect more sophisticated investment opportunities and insurance offerings. Artificial intelligence will play an increasingly prominent role, providing hyper-personalized advice and services. Imagine a future where Nubank is not just a financial institution, but also a comprehensive lifestyle platform integrating e-commerce and other services, while building a strong user community. These are potential scenarios that highlight the exciting future for Nubank. Nubank operates in a competitive environment, facing both traditional banks and other fintech companies. Competitors include established banks like Itaú Unibanco, Banco Bradesco, and Santander in Brazil, and similar players in other Latin American countries. Furthermore, other fintech companies such as PicPay, PagBank, and Mercado Pago also compete in the same market. While exact market share numbers change quickly, Nubank is a market leader in the Latin American neobank sector. This slide presents a high-level view of Nubank's income statement, focusing on the crucial trends in revenue and operating income from 2019 through to the trailing 12 months, or TTM. As you can see, the revenue line demonstrates a clear and consistent upward trajectory, showcasing Nubank's impressive ability to grow its top line over the years. This growth has been phenomenal. Furthermore, and perhaps more importantly, we also see a dramatic turnaround in operating income. After several years of negative values, Nubank has achieved substantial profitability in recent periods. This demonstrates not only revenue growth, but also the company's ability to manage expenses and operate efficiently. The income statements clearly shows the impressive growth over the past years. All values are in millions of USD. We'll be exploring the remarkable stock price surge of Nubank, ticker symbol NU. Since the beginning of 2023, the company's stock has increased by over 200%, reaching levels that were once unthinkable after its initial public offering. We will be discussing the key drivers behind this extraordinary growth and the story of how a relatively young company managed to increase in value so quickly. Nubank's impressive financial performance is one of the key drivers behind its stock price surge. In the latest quarter, revenues have reached $2.9 billion, a staggering 56% increase compared to the same period last year. Furthermore, the company's profitability metrics are equally impressive, as the adjusted net income reached $562.5 million with a net margin of 20% in the second quarter. These numbers showcase that Nubank's growth is now coupled with significant profitability. The company also generates an average monthly revenue of $11.20 per user. Investors are clearly responding positively to these results. Another significant factor driving Nubank's stock growth is its rapidly expanding customer base. The company now has 110 million customers, compared to just 48 million 3 years ago. Nubank also has 104.5 million users with an average monthly revenue per user of $11.20. It has established a strong position in Brazil, while also making significant inroads into newer markets like Mexico and Colombia. This remarkable user growth and the strong level of engagement across its mobile platform are key to long-term success, creating more revenue opportunities and driving further stock appreciation. The confidence of major investors is another vital catalyst for Nubank's stock performance. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invested early in Nubank, participating in the initial public offering at $9, and they continue to hold their shares. This endorsement from a renowned investor significantly boosted market confidence. Additionally, Nubank's expansion into Mexico and Colombia, combined with its continued growth in its existing markets and the large underbanked population in Latin America, provides a clear path for future growth and for diversification beyond the Latin American continent, reinforcing the investment thesis. The confidence from these big investors definitely also has had an influence on Nubank's stock price increase. Nubank's stock price increase is backed by a proven track record of consistent growth and profitability, which has shifted investor perceptions since the initial IPO. The company is now being recognized as a valuable investment opportunity. The vibrant financial landscape of Latin America, with Nubank leading the way, offers an attractive long-term potential for investors. Combined with ambitious expansion plans and a continuously innovating company, the company is a potent mix of value and growth. We believe the future remains promising for Nubank, and the stock price surge since the start of 2023 is a testament to the success of this digital financial institution.